வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 8 டேர்ம் 2 யூனிட் 5 ரோட் சேஃப்டி ரூல்ஸ் அண்ட் ரெகுலேஷன்ஸ் புக் எக்ஸசைசஸ் question and answer higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, at a red light. Option A, you can keep going if the path looks clear. Option B, you must stop and wait for it turn green. Option C, quickly you can reply your friend's text message. Option D, you can attend call. The correct answer is option B, you must stop and wait for it turn green. Second one, pedestrians can cross the road only dash. Option A, at anywhere. Option B, near the signals. Option C, at zebra crossing. Option D, none. The correct answer is option C, at zebra crossing. Third one, Road Safety Week is celebrated in the month of dash every year. Option A, December. Option B, January. Option C, March. Option D, May. The correct answer is option B, January. Fourth one, for emergency, call dash for ambulance service. Option A, 108. Option B, 100. Option C, 106. Option D, 101. The correct answer is option A, 108. Fifth one, what are the causes for the road accidents? Option A, overspeeding. Option B, drunken driving. Option C, distraction to drivers. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Number 6. The first category of traffic signs is dash. Option A, mandatory signs. Option B, cautionary signs. Option C, informatory signs. Option D, none of this. The correct answer is option A, mandatory signs. Seventh one, Setu Bharatam, a program was launched in dash. Option A, 2014. Option B, 2015. Option C, 2016. Option D, 2017. The correct answer is option C, 2016. Eighth one, expand ABS. Option A, anti-brake start. Option B, annual base system. Option C, anti-locking brake system. Option D, none of this. The correct answer is option C, anti-locking brake system. Ninth one, overtaking when approaching a bend is dash. Option A, permissible. Option B, not permissible. Option C, permissible with care. Option D, our wish. The correct answer is option B, not permissible. 10th one, when the ambulance is approaching. Option A, allow passage if there are no vehicles from front side. Option B, no preference need to be given. Option C, allow free passage by drawing to the side of the road. Option D, drive behind the ambulance with great speed. The correct answer is option C, allow free passage by drawing to the side of the road. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, always keep dash while driving. Answer is left. Second one, mandatory signs are exhibited in dash shape. Answer is circular. Third one, dash controls the speed of the vehicle. Answer is automatic speed. Fourth one, higher the speed, dash the risk. Answer is higher. So higher the speed, higher the risk. Fifth one, use of dash in four-wheelers and dash for two-wheelers has been brought under law. So answer is use of seat belt in four-wheelers and helmet for two-wheelers. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, pollution under control certificate, 6 months. Second one time tax for new car, 15 years. Third one, pedestrian, zebra crossing. Fourth one, Brasilia Declaration, Global Conference. Fifth one, Swachha Safer, comic book on road safety. Fourth Roman letter, state true or false. First one, the problem of accidents lies with roads only. Answer is false, because the problem of accident lies with the carelessness. Second one, check mirrors before changing lanes. True. Third one, flashing yellow signal indicates to slow down and proceed with caution. True. Fourth one, on a two-wheeler, only one pillion rider is allowed. True. Fifth one, the roads are one of the worst invention of man. Answer is false, because roads are one of the crucial, that is important invention of man. Fifth Roman letter, consider the following statements and tick the appropriate answer. First one, which of the following statements is or are not correct? Statement 1, maintain the right distance to the vehicle in the front. Statement number 2, maintain speed limit, never exceed the speed limit. Statement number 3, wearing seat belt is not necessary while driving. Statement number 4, don't slow down on bend and turn in the road. Option A, 1-3 only. Option B, 2-4 only. Option C, 1-2 only. Option D, 3-4 only. Here we should select the statements which are wrong. Statement number 3 and 4 are wrong. So the answer is option D, 3 and 4 only. Second one, assertion. Drunken driving causes accidents. Reason. It hampers vision due to dizziness. Option A is correct and R is correct explanation of A. Option B, A is correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is wrong and R is correct. Option D, both are wrong. So here the correct is option A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Third one, assertion. Road signs are easy to comprehend. Reason, they are mostly pictorial. Option A is correct but R is false. Option B, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is false but R is true. Option D, both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. So here the correct answer is option B, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A, because most of the road signs are pictorial and it is easy to understand. Fourth one, find the odd one out with regard to road safety rules. Option A, slow down on the bends. Option B, maintain speed limit. Option C, use cell phone while driving. Option D, avoid walking on roads. From these, we should find out the odd one out. The answer is option C, use cell phone while driving. Fifth one, the following signs represent. The first sign represent one way. The second sign represent pedestrian crossing. The third sign represent horns prohibited. Fourth sign represent hospital. Fifth sign represent right hand curve. Sixth sign represent men at work. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1, how do you ensure road safety? Question number 2, why road safety is very important to us? Question number 3, what are the direct consequences of road accidents? Question number 4, draw traffic light signals and indicates the meaning. Question number 5, write a note on Brasilia Declaration on Road Safety. Question number 6, what is the aim of observing Road Safety Week? Question number 7, write any 4 traffic rules. Question number 8, how does alcohol affect driving? 7th Roman letter, answer the following in detail. First one, explain the factors contributed for road accidents. Second one, describe the steps taken by the government of India to prevent road accidents. Third one, what are the preventive measures of road accidents? 8th Roman letter, higher order thinking question. First one, what is the requirement for a two-wheeler rider during night? Second one, tablet tips for avoiding driver fatigue. 9th Roman letter, project and activity. Question number 1, tabulate a few basic road safety rules for children. Question number 2, demonstrate road safety techniques.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.